Good afternoon. In this video, I'm explaining the how to convert CSV to JSON and JSON to CSV. So here is the data in the CSV file. CSV is a stand for comma separated value. CSV file is a kind of a tabular sheet where we have rows and columns, but it is not visually represented here. Here, CSV file is presented as comma separated values. Like here we have ID, name, age, email, which are, and here I have data, and they all are separated by commas. So for this, we create a file to to get path of this data.csv file first. So here is a file to CSV to JSON. Here we required const fs, required fs, we required path, and we have required CSV, required CSV parser. So CSV parser is a we have installed it by giving command, and it is here in the package.json CSV parser. First, here is a path to the CSV file. Here is a path to CSV file. CSV file path dot join directory name with the data.csv. Data.csv is a path name of this file, and an array to store CSV data. So when we have to convert it to JSON. That's why we are taking in this. Here is this results array. Then we are reading this file. Read this file fs dot create read stream CSV file path. CSV file path we are giving here, and dot type dot CSV. This dot type CSV for CSV to rows, CSV to rows, and dot on data results dot push, result dot push. Inside result array we are pushing this data, and then on and is a variable here, and here is the JSON file path. We are creating this JSON file path variable with path dot join directory name with data dot JSON. We are connecting it with our file path data.json. Then here fs.write file try in the try catch block. Inside the try catch block, here we are writing fs file fs.write file sync json file path data json.stringify, and we are stringifying this, and this stringify function take three thing, which is result, null, and two is for space, for giving space. It is our array variable. In the catch block, catch error. If error is caught, then console the error writing the JSON file error. Here is a console error if there is error after on error. And here we have created this data.json file. So we are writing on this JSON file path. This is a JSON file path, which is data.json, and here we are trying fs write file sync JSON file path. So in this file path, we are stringifying this JSON with this three results, null, two, and if there is error, then it shows this error. And then if we run this file, so data in the JSON format displays here in the data.json file here. So here we get the data in the JSON file in the format of JSON file CSV to JSON. Now we will talk about how to convert the JSON to CSV. So we have this JSON to CSV file. We have this JSON file, okay, and here is a JSON to CSV file. Here we have required first fs path parser. So for converting JSON to CSV, we install the package which is JSON to CSV, and we are requiring it here with the name of parser const parser required JSON to CSV. Here is the path name JSON file path, which is path joined directory name data.json. Read the JSON file. For reading the JSON file, there is a JSON data fs.read file sync JSON file path. This with the UTF-8, and here const data is equal to JSON.parse. We are parsing it, so we can see this by unconsoling now. So it is the same in the same format when we are consoling it here in this 11 line in the JSON format, and if we console it, if we check it here on line number 13, then it shows in this format. It shows conversion is successful. Here we can comment it. After applying this JSON parse JSON data, we are creating a new CSV parser. This CSV parser means we are creating a new file to take this CSV data to that file. So const JSON to CSV parser, new parser, CSV JSON to parser dot parse data. We are parsing the data, this data, and then we are writing the CSV data to the file. CSV file path is path.join. Directory name converted data.csv. This is our file name, and this is a method fs.write file sync CSV file path with the CSV, and then it shows when it is converted, then it shows it prints the message conversion successful, and if there is error, then it shows this error, and our file is created. When we run this command, sorry, when we run this code, then we will get that converted data.csv has created here in the CSV format. So this is how it is converted. Thank you.